If you're looking for a PC case that will allow plenty of airflow and keep your system cool, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the 5 best airflow PC cases on the market today. By reading this post, you'll be able to make an informed decision about which case is best for you and your computer. So let's get started with the list. List number 1. Cooler MasterCase H500 ARG Airflow ATX. 2 front panels, 2 200 Mard fans, and a handle to grip onto when the adrenaline kicks in. The MasterCase H500 is established as the go-to ATX PC chassis for high-performance airflow. Now, with 200 Mard fans, its legacy is upgraded with premium lighting. Each choice of front panels decide whether the build will excel at ruthless airflow performance or head-turning aesthetics. Of course, the mesh is the ideal choice for providing the pre-installed fans with high volumes of fresh air. The transparent panel, on the other hand, parades those fans in crystal clear view. With the included accessories, substantial ventilation, and iconic H-series design elements, the MasterCase H500 retains all of the advantages of the original while adding ARG fans for good measure. Main feature: mesh and transparent front panel, dual 200mm ARG fans, ARG lighting system, tempered glass side panel, optimized airflow. List number 2. YMI011 Dynamic XL ROG Certified Black ATX. YMI011 Dynamic XL ROG Certified is the newest and greatest upgraded version of the very popular 11 Dynamic. Once again designed with the collaboration of Germany's famous Derate Tower, the 11 Dynamic XL is bigger in every way: depth, height, and width to further increase its possibility of water cooling capabilities by providing more space for thicker radiators as well as taller GPU water blocks. Dimensions: W285X, H517X, D490 material, tempered glass on the front and left sides, aluminum top and right side panel. Loaded with cutting-edge features, 11 DXL is the ultimate chassis evolved from the all-time favorite 11D, making every PC DIY project a dream come true. Main feature: case type, ATX full tower, hot swappable drives. List number 3. Phanteks Eclipse 500, a high airflow full metal mesh design. The Eclipse 500 is a premium mid-tower case that combines high airflow performance with style. The 500 features the ultra-fine performance mesh front panel for optimal airflow. Based on the award-winning 600S chassis, it has a versatile interior offering high-end features such as extensive water cooling with support up to 420 radiators, the ARGB lighting solution, a hinge-tempered glass side panel, and dual system support. The 500 delivers quality and great airflow performance with an exceptional value. Main feature: ultra-fine performance. Spacious open interior supports dual system. Easy accessibility to I/O featuring USB-C Gen 2. Extensive storage options. Smooth lighting effects and colors. List number 4. Fractal Design Meshify C Compact Computer Case. Meshify series strikes an aggressive pose in the Fractal design lineup with unparalleled cooling performance and the defiant new look. Like black diamond facets, the angular asymmetry of the Meshify C carves a space uniquely its own as a new force in high airflow design. Open interior layout creates an unobstructed airflow path from front intake to rear exhaust. Easy to clean filters on the front, top and base with full PSU coverage and convenient front access. Full-length power supply shroud consoles drive cage, and excess cabling for unrestricted airflow and a clean-looking interior. Up to 35 mm of space behind motherboard plate with grommeted pass-throughs for clean cable routing. Main feature: streamlined high airflow design. Angular mesh front panel maximizes air intake. Tempered glass side panel. Distinctive new styling with stealth black on black aesthetic. Flexible storage options with room for up to 5 drives. List number 5. Cooler MasterBox TD500 Mesh Airflow ATX. The EATX MasterBox TD500 Mesh takes airflow performance and turns it into an art form. Powered by 3 pre-installed ARG fans, airflow is fed through a geometric, 3-dimensional mesh front panel into a system viewed from a crystal-clear tempered glass side panel. The crystalline tempered glass side panel is precision-engineered for both its toughness and its aesthetics through CNC machining. Polygonal mesh takes its form from Cooler Master's fine mesh technology, simultaneously providing high airflow, disfiltration, and a strengthened structure. The EATX MasterBox TD500 mesh takes airflow performance and turns it into an art form. Powered by 3 pre-installed ARC fans, airflow is fed through a geometric, 3-dimensional mesh front panel into a system viewed from a crystal clear tempered glass side panel. Main feature: crystalline tempered glass. Versatile cooling options: crystalline tempered glass, dual 306 dim radiator support, triple ARC fans,